Kevin G with a weather overview. How you doing out there, everybody? This is Noah. Like them on Facebook and Twitter. We have another fantastic day across the tri-state area. Now, in their official forecast right now, they have a low probability of rainfall for Tuesday night, especially along the coast. I think that it's a little bit higher than what is advertised here, and I'm going to show you why. Looking at the latest forecast models that have come out, as we have low pressure that's going to develop off the Carolina coast. And I think there's a fair chance now that we get into a period of at least light to moderate rain, especially from New York City, coastal Connecticut, and points south for Tuesday night and Wednesday. And it bears watching, because if the storm comes a little bit further north, we could get into some prolonged rains, although I don't think we're going to see serious wind impacts from this. We will see some, but I think that we'll get brushed by this system off the Carolina coast, and I'll keep an eye on it for us as we go along. But I'll show you why this graphic might be a little bit too optimistic as we take a look. We go from Noah on Facebook and we go to Tropical Tidbits. And this is the situation right now. We have very fair skies with temperatures going to be in the mid-70s basically all week. I think our one trouble spot is going to be this area of low pressure that is developing off the southeast U.S. coast. And as we go further in time, we notice that the GFS, this is the latest run of the model, it starts to develop this system a little bit. I don't know whether it'll have pure tropical characteristics or not, but at the very least, it will be an area of low pressure that develops along the mid-Atlantic coast. Whether it becomes tropical or not, I don't really think is going to matter all that much. But what is going to matter is that as we get into Tuesday night, rain starts to spread into Philadelphia and into southern portions of the tri-state area, including into Connecticut. And this storm it definitely starts to intensify a bit. So the winds, although they're not going to be that much of a factor, once this goes by for early Wednesday morning, I think that we will have a period of kind of breezy conditions for Wednesday, with a lot of clouds for Tuesday into Wednesday as this goes by to the north and east and it pulls away. And then we have fair weather for the rest of the week. We might have a cold frontal passage there Thursday night, and I'm optimistic that it's going to come in Thursday night and it's going to keep us dry for Friday and into the weekend. And we have this big high pressure that settles over the region for Labor Day weekend. I don't want to ignore the fact that we have what's left of Hurricane Harvey over Texas. This is likely to be one of the worst floods in U.S. history. I don't think there's any hyperbole in saying that at this point, as sad as it is. And it is going to be a news-making situation for the next, for the foreseeable future, really. I don't really know when things are going to calm down there as far as not only the weather is concerned, but the overall impacts. So to reiterate, if we take a look at Weather Underground, take a look at the temperatures this week, I think that the time to watch for any significant rain of more than a ½ inch would be Tuesday night and Wednesday, and if anything changes, I'll let you know. But I think that's the overall general theme at this point. We're setting up for a very nice long holiday weekend for your Labor Day as we get ready to close out summertime, but we're doing it on a very nice note here across the tri-state region.